Good afternoon. My name is Martin Flores. Today's date is August 26th, 2020. And today I will be performing the staining techniques. So I have this ready to go. I wrote the one direct M. And then underneath I went and did my dime-shaped size circle. And then I went ahead and I swabbed my mouth inside, teeth and gums, and applied it to that circle. And then I ran it over the candle for about 5 times, no more than like 2 seconds each time. And then I just let it dry for 10 minutes. So I didn't know if I should have done that whole process, but I described it, so I hope that's good enough. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply the stain. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And go ahead and do a drop. Maybe 2, just to be safe. There we go. We got 2 drops right there. And then, let me see. I'm going to run it over the water right now. Just make sure. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and set this down real quick while I run it over the water into the tray. And then, let's see, clear all that. So I went ahead and ran it in the water. And then I have my paper towel. I'm going to set the phone down real quick as I blot it. I'm not going to wipe it. Just a second as I let that dry. Actually gonna run a little bit more just so make sure it's pretty clear. So just like that. Forgot about that part. I'm gonna blot it. I'll take the photo afterwards. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get my microscope ready. So let's get this out of the way, make sure that stain is nice and tight. Get my water out of the way. Alright, so I have my microscope. I'm gonna go ahead and place this onto the microscope. So I have that placed. Turn my microscope on, and I'm gonna remove my glasses real quick. And let me go ahead and maneuver this. I'm gonna start out 4 times. So let me set the microscope or the phone down real quick as I go ahead and try and rotate. adjust the lighting just a little bit. There we go. That 4 times. It's hard to see, but there you go. 4 times. Lower this a bit, and let's throw it at 10 times. Let's see what we can find. Here we are at 10 times. There it is at 10 times. And I think that's what I will take my picture of. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this and then kind of clean up a little bit and then move on to, or you know what? I'll just go ahead and do the next stain real quick. So I can actually take a picture while recording. So I'm going to go ahead and snap a couple pictures. And then I'm going to set the phone down real quick, turn my microscope off. I'm going to lower this. I'm going to take a picture right here of my slide. Okay, there's a picture of the slide. And now I'm going to move on to the next one, which is the 2 neg M. So I'll describe what I'm doing as the phone set down. Sorry. I'm gonna cut the tip off of the Congo Red. Wipe this off. Okay. And then I am going to drop this before I actually swab. Just one single drop. Okay, got that single drop right there. So I have that, and then let me go ahead. Swab. I'm going to lower my mask real quick and go ahead and vigorously grate my teeth and gums. Go ahead and kind of agitate that. Sorry. I'm left-handed and I'm using my right hand, so it might be a little. There we go. Dispose of that. And then get the blank slide at a 30-degree angle. And go ahead and scrape all that. Okay. Let that air dry. And then I'll take a picture of this slide. Sure. Set the phone down as I go ahead and put this on the microscope. This around. There we go. Go back to 4 times. Go ahead. I'm see if I can see anything. Side to side. Here we are. It's very hard to see, as you can see in there. Stain. Put my phone down, get over this, and I'm gonna switch it to 10 times. I'm able to see it, but it's still kind of blurry. I'm gonna use my fine. It's hard to see.